My video is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called SunnyDay. SunnyDay is a special ransomware type infection which now keeps on attacking many Windows computers. SunnyDay ransomware is called ransomware because it encrypts the data and then demands from the victims to pay the ransom for file decryption. Of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this SunnyDay ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then you might suddenly realize that something bad has happened with the files, and whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the SunnyDay extension. The ransomware also places this ransomware note that says your network has been compromised and that all your important files have been encrypted. As I said, the ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. It also indicates some email addresses for the victims to contact the developers. But contacting the developers is not a good solution either, because, once again, there is no guarantee that the files would be recovered. So please do not pay the ransom. Our first recommendation is that you research your task manager, and if you locate any suspicious processes, you need to terminate them. This could help you save at least some files. Speaking about removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So, download Combo Cleaner through this official website, install the program, and start researching your device with its help. Initially, the program will be in the trial mode. Only the quick scan is available. Click on Start Scan. The application should first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is crucial for proper detection of malware and ransomware on your computer. Combo Cleaner is provided with the anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, once again, is the part of the premium license only. So it might take several minutes until the scanning is fully completed. Combo Cleaner works very well to detect the majority of computer infections, including browser threats, adware, browser hijackers, of course ransomware, and other serious types of malware that may attack your computer. At the end of the scan, the program will give you the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact location. We recommend upgrading to the premium license to make sure that all these threats are completely and fully removed from your device.